In today's video, I'm going to teach you the best method to pay with PayPal on Temu, whether you're a seasoned online shopper or just getting started. Using PayPal can make your transactions safer and more convenient. So let's dive into the process step by step. First, let's get started by opening the Temu app on your smartphone or directly from your computer's browser. Make sure you have the latest version of the app for a smoother experience. Now, if you haven't already logged into your account, take a moment to do so. Enter your credentials, and you're just a step away from exploring a world of exciting products. Once you've logged in, it's time to find that product you've been eyeing. Browse through the categories or use the search feature to quickly locate what you're interested in. This might take some time if you want to explore all your options, but once you find the perfect item, click or tap on it to view it in more detail. If everything looks good and you've decided to make the purchase, the next step is to add the product to your cart. Just locate the Add to Cart button and select it. Don't worry if you're second guessing or just browsing for more. You can continue shopping and add items to your cart until you're ready to check out. Now, once you've filled your cart with everything you want, it's time to proceed to checkout. Look for the shopping cart icon and click on it. This will bring you to a page where you can review your chosen items. Take a moment here to double check quantities, sizes, or any other details to avoid any surprises later on. As you proceed through the checkout process, you'll come across a section prompting you to select your preferred payment method. At this point, you'll have a variety of options, but since we're focusing on PayPal today, go ahead and choose PayPal from the list. You'll be directed to a new window or prompt where you might have to log into your PayPal account if you aren't already signed in. With PayPal, the details like your shipping address and payment information are already in place, streamlining the process significantly. Confirm the necessary details, and once everything looks good, you can complete your purchase with a simple click, and there you have it. Within moments, you should receive a confirmation of your transaction both from Temu and PayPal. This method not only simplifies your shopping experience, but also adds a layer of security to your transaction. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide has made your Temu shopping experience easier and safer. Happy shopping, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.